So 7th April crude oil trade, 52-point trade has been made. We sold at 3377 and we bought at 3355 and 3325. So let us see how the trade executed. See, this is the previous day low and previous day high. The market opened with a huge bullishness. This is the first candle of the day. It's 10 to 10:50. Market went up, came down, and again tried to went up, but it could not cross the high made fresh in the morning. That is around 3394, or it made a maximum 3398. So could not touch the round figure of 3400. So this was the high mark. Candle could not close. So it is a wick. Then again, see over here, shooting star has been made. Perfect shooting star has been made over here, over here, over here. This is a clear-cut indication that after coming down, when market trying to push up the price again, the sellers are pushing the price down. Means market was not willing to accept more price. So there was no more buyer over there. So what we do? Let us plot the fib levels and see the 23.6, the first level has been broken. The moment it broken, this is a 10 moving average, 20. So there is a cross of 10, 20 first, and then there is a break of first support of the fib level. And over here, see over here, there is the initial support of the day. So it went up. Over here, we sold at 3377. Moment it tried to break down, it was a clear-cut confirmation. Now it will come down. Already break has been made. Then it came down throughout the day. And see exactly at this is 78.6, complete retracement it has done. So from top till bottom. Now what is this price? I will show, drop it down to here. See 33.26. So that we booked at exact at the top. So almost we captured the top and the bottom. We sold at the top and captured at the bottom. These are the rare trades. The classic trade is there. But anyhow, there were 3-4 things which were the classic examples. First with the shooting star, then the base has been made. Then if you see downstairs, MACD cross is there. Then there was a classic divergence been shown. See, the price went up from here to here. The slant is high. On RSI, the price is making higher top, lower top. So there is a divergence. And similarly, also on the stochastic. See, divergence. They are pointing downwards. They are pointing downward, but the price is pointing downward. This is the classic case of the divergence. MACD is also now started turning. The momentum is going up. Then MACD also started turning, going up. So if you let me now you will be able to see clearly. See, this arrow is going up. MACD started turning down. If I push it up, now you will be able to see clearly. So MACD started coming down. If I push little bit, then you will be able to see properly. See, RSI is diverging downward. If I push this one also, see here top stochastic top, this is also pointing up, this is also pointing down. MACD has also started coming down. After these two divergence, the price from here to here is going up. Rest all the indicators are pointing down. So a classic case of divergence. Now in the divergence, what is to be done? Wait for the bottom to be made, this base to be made. It came down here, went up. So this is the divergence point in the price, and this here. The moment it breaks this bottom, this particular bottom, when so this is the price. The moment it breaks, this is the arrow, is the right point to sell, and then this is 200 moving average, the green one. So, and it is coinciding with the Fibonacci level of 78.6. This is the death zone. From here, it is likely to return up. It can go up, retrace all the way up, or it may from here, it may come down, and then from here, if it goes down, then it may go down, come down further to 3280, 3260, whatsoever is there. But since the overall trend of the crude is bullish, see, so this blue green line, this is 200 moving average. See, from the last few days, this is going up, 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 and all this up. So it is better. For so many days, the 200 moving average has not been broken. It is better to book near. Otherwise, the longer trade could have also been taken. But 50 points, giving you 50 points in a one trade in a single day, without carrying order for intraday, morning you have sold it, evening you have covered it, is a classic, fantastic trade. So 52 point trade has been made, sold at 3377 or at 3325. Now let me show you the confirmation which I usually do. This is my Zerodha account. You can see it over here. The sell average is 3377, buy price is 3325, and we made the profit of 1040, sold 2 million lots. As I told you, these all are been actual video mates with the sample trading account, not more than 10-15,000. The aim is to double the amount within 1 to 2 months time, and we are hopefully doing so. We are taking the trades as and when. It is a short trade rather than trading every day aimlessly and then getting the losses. Trade less, but trade well and get the points. Once again, just to sum up, we are capturing the divergence from here till here. So kindly subscribe to the videos for more such informative trading videos. We will share further how to have the setups for the trades and how to learn technical way of trading, as there has been request for that. We will be shortly making the series out of that. Thank you.